First, you need to take this corset out. And then take this pad out. Before you have any other moves, you need to take a picture of all the connection of the wires. And you can see there is 3 bundles of wires. This one, and these 2. All the wires connected in this bubble of wires have to be disconnected. Before you disconnect the wires, you need to prepare the labels, like this one and this one. Okay, then we start to disconnect the wires. After you disconnect the wire, you have to number the wire. Like this wire is number 1. And at the same time, you need to use the sticker to number this connected part. So you need to use this method to disconnect all the wires of these 3 bundles of wires. Then you need to check whether all the wires are disconnected. And then we started to disassemble the outer metal case. Use the screwdriver to unscrew the screws. And you'd better have another person to hold the metal case in case it fell down and got scratched. After all the outer metal case is assembled, next step we need to disassemble the black bag holder. Here we need to unscrew these 4 screws. And there are 4 similar mantle need to disassemble. Next step is to unscrew the screws in the side bag holder. There are 3 screws on this side. Then use the spanner to unscrew it. And it is the same on the other side. You need to unscrew these screws totally. Next step is to flip the bed upside down. First, you need to prepare the protective foam. And during this process, it's better to, there are 4 people to flip the bed. First lift it up and then put the protective foam under the bed. And then flip the bed upside down. Next step is to unscrew the screws on the side case. There are totally 16 screws, and also it's the same on the other side. After removing all the screws, then take the side case off. Then use the screwdriver to unscrew the screws, the pan head screws. There are totally 8 pan head screws need to be unscrewed. Next step is to take the bottom case out. Two people lift the bottom case. And then find the place to put it aside. Next step, we need to install the bottom case. You need to pay attention that the wires is on the side of this hole. And then we need to put the upper case back to the holder. Make sure the upper case and this metal holder and the plates are on the same level. And then we need to install the side case. And then use the screwdrivers to tighten the side case. When the two side cases are fixed, then the upper cabin is installed. Next step, we need to install this metal. So prepare this for metal and the screws. Now we fix this metal. First, you don't need to fix the screws tightly because maybe you need to adjust the direction. During the process, you need to ask a person to help you adjust the pace of the cabin. On this side, we have to connect this wire on this hole. So we need to find the wire first. This blue and yellow wire. And then you have to make this wire go through here and then connect it. This wire have to be inside the holder. Next step, we fix the screws on the bottom holder. First, we fix all the 6 screws, 3 on one side and 3 on the other side. At first, we don't need to fix it tightly. And then we need to fix all the screws tightly. And then use the spanner to fix these 6 screws tightly. Next step, we need to connect all of the valves. The method is the same as the previous steps. These 2 wires have to go through this hole. and then go into the pad. After you connect all of the wires, you have to check whether you have put the covers on. And then again, you need to check whether all of the wires are connected in the correct part. And then you can use this kind of wire band to fix all of the wires. Pay attention that there are certain places have to be fixed. This one, and this one, and this one, and also these two wires have to be fixed, and also this one. After the wires are connected and the wire bands are fixed, we need to connect the upper cabin and the bottom cabin, and connect the power source and turn the machine on to check the whole light bed. You need to make sure all the lights are on, and then you need to change the parameter. And also this time you need to make sure all the lights are on and it can flash as normal. To make sure the machine is working well, you can test it for 30 minutes. After the light bed is working, 30 minutes later, we can start to install the metal case. First, disconnect the power source, and then use the screws to fix the back sides of the metal. And then we start to assemble the front side of the metal shell. And then we need to assemble the broadside. We need 2 people to hold the broadside. And then another one to use the screwdriver to fix the screws. And it's the same as the other side. The last step is to assemble the closet.